Hey guys, how's it going? This is Gerald Harris with Real Estate Investing Tips for Beginners. So, I'm going to be having a free training Wednesday, June the 2nd at 8 p.m. Eastern. Okay, the training is entitled How to Buy Vacant Land for Low Monthly Payments in as little as a week. Now, are you looking to go ahead and buy land? Maybe you're looking to buy it to flip it. Maybe you're looking to buy and hold it. Maybe you're a spec builder or a developer where you're looking to go ahead and develop these land parcels. You don't have to buy these parcels for straight up cash. You can buy them on terms. Okay. I'm going to be talking about how to find these quote unquote hidden deals, right? that are mentioned from time to time. How to buy land for as low, if not lower, than your cell phone payment, right? How to buy land from the next door neighbor in a creative way. So if you're looking for wholesale land, if you're looking for retail land, check out the link in the description. Okay. Wednesday, June 2nd at 8 p.m. Eastern. I'm going to be talking about how to buy vacant land creatively. That way you don't have to put out a chunk of cash in order to buy property, okay? Check out the link in the description. I'll see you all then.